Here are question 9 and 10 for test on Advanced Functions Unit 1. Question 9. Determine the range of f of x equals to 2x squared minus 8x plus 3. Question 10. Determine the domain of function square root of x squared minus 2x minus 8. How will you do these questions? Well, range, domain of a quadratic function is all real numbers, and to find range we have to find the vertex, correct? For this function we know that this function, because the leading coefficient is positive, so it will be like this, right? But we need to find the vertex. Once we find the vertex, we know range is greater than or equal to that value. To find vertex, what you can do is you can do completing the squares and get the vertex from there, or you can also find vertex using the value minus b by 2a. So the vertex is actually at minus b by 2a, x value, and the function value at the same point, minus b by 2a, correct? That should give you the vertex also, correct? So you can use this formula and get your answer. Or you can do completing the squares. So let's do completing the squares for this. So we have f of x equals to 2x squared. So let me take, x plus 3, right? So we'll take 2, factor out 2 here, and we are left with x squared minus 4x plus 3, and now we will do half of 4, right? And add and subtract its square, right? Minus 4x, half of 4 is 2, so we'll add and subtract 2 square, correct? Plus 3, and this will give us a perfect square, which is x minus 2. 2 comes from here, minus from there, correct? Minus 4 plus 3, and then this could be written as, we can open the bracket now. We say 2 times x minus 2 whole square. 2 minus 4, when you multiply them you get minus 8 plus 3. So you get your function as x minus 2 square, and minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5, right? Therefore we say range is y belongs to real numbers, so that y is greater than or equal to minus 5, correct? So that is how you get your range. Well, if you calculate minus b by 2a, let's do that part also. So what is b here? So we are trying to find minus b by 2a, okay? That is x value. Now minus b is minus 8. So minus of minus 8 is 8. 8 divided by 2 times a, which is 4. So the value is 2. Do you see? At x2, same value as 2. Do you see that? Now, what is f of 2? Now, f of 2 is equals to 2 times 2 square, right? Minus 8 times 2 plus 3, which is 2 times 2 square is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, right? 8 minus, let's write 8 minus 16 plus 3, correct? Which is 8 minus 16 is minus 8, and minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. So you get the same answer. Do you see that? So this is alternate way of doing the same thing, right? So let me write alternate method. Correct? Now, let's look into question 10. Determine domain of the given function. Now, to find domain for this, we know within the radical square root, we should have always positive. Is that okay? So what we are looking for is that x squared minus 2x minus 8 should be greater than equal to 0. It has to be non-negative, right? For it to have a valid value. So let's factor this out. So we are looking for a product of minus 8 and sum of minus 2. So we can write this as x minus 4 times x plus 2, right? When you multiply minus 4 with 2, you get minus 8, and when you add them, you get minus 2. Should be greater than equal to 0. Is that okay? Now you have to solve this inequality. One way and an easy way of doing it is kind of graphing. So let's think this is our graph coordinates, and your zeros are at 4 and minus 2, right? And since x value is positive, the graph will be opening upwards. So for 2 will be minus 2, right? So it will be like kind of, let's say like this, correct? Where this 0 is at minus 2 and this 0 is at 4, correct? So where is our function positive? It is positive only during this region. Is it okay? Therefore, what is our domain? From here, we can write domain of fx is x belongs to real numbers, where x is either less than equal to minus 2 or x is greater than equal to 4. Do you understand? Because in between it is negative, and we cannot have this negative here. This is a very good question. It comes under communication and thinking also. So have a good look at it, try to understand the concept, and then move forward to the next set of questions. Thank you.